What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be trying to fix this. This is a metal exterior shutter, roll shutter, and let me show you what the problem is. So of course it works by going down, because you got to pull out and then let go. It'll go down, but as you can see, you try and pull it, no matter what, it's stuck. So we're going to take the cover off of the front here. There's 3 screws here, 3 screws there. So we're going to pop the cover off and get into this wheel. I was trying to fix it the other day, but for some reason it was just not rolling and I couldn't even force it by hand. So we're just going to try and take off the whole thing. I didn't have all my tools with me that day, so I brought tools with, brought a better ladder. So let's get to it and start taking all this off. So we have it out now. Took a little bit, but it's out. Now I know how to fix it. This is the problem. Alright, so as you saw, I was able to get the wheel off of the one side, the drive wheel as you can call it, for these blinds or shutters, or it's not even an awning, but they are shutters. So you do have to, oh, there's another screw on this. That's why this wouldn't come off. Well, either way, I was able to pop this side off of itself here. So you gotta like shift it one way, and then once you get it shifted enough one way, it comes off the one side, and then as long as you get the screws out of their holders here, you can pull it off of the thing. So this one, the drive wheel, looks like it's had its fair share of wear and tear throughout the years, because even this right here is like messed up, but these pieces all were broken off of it. I'm gonna see if I can glue this to fix it like that, use like really strong epoxy, or see if I can just order a whole new wheel. I might be able to, because there's like a part number or something right here. So I'll see if I can order a whole new wheel for this awning, or not awning, for these shutters. So basically same thing, just in reverse to reinstall everything. But I did make note of the rope or band, which direction it was on the wheel, so then we could put it back on there and then roll it back up when we have to. But for now, I'm going to get this all tidied up and put the cover back on while I wait to either order a new wheel or fix this. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. Well, it'll probably be a different day, but I'll catch you guys in a little bit to reinstall all this. All right, so it's a different day, and well, as you can see, I was able to order a new wheel that's almost identical. However, yeah, it's a little bit smaller than the original, but it should still work for what we need it to. You got the hole here, right here, to screw in the new lanyard, or not the new lanyard, but the existing lanyard. And with this one, I pulled it out more out of its reel with inside the wall, so we have more of this, because having the smaller diameter, it's going to need more rotations to pull all of this up, so you're going to need more of this. So let's go ahead, screw it on, wrap it up, because then, so yeah, we have to wrap it up this way counterclockwise, because when it's in there, you're going to pull the string inward to rotate this up. Or no, hold on, let me think about this. So I believe it's going to be like this, because when you pull the string, you want the wheel to turn. So when you pull the string, you want the wheel to turn this way, which will in turn turn this, which will wrap the shutters around itself. So let me go ahead and put all this together, very similar to taking it all out, and we'll test it out. All right, so as you can see, it is in. I did have to adjust it out a little bit to make sure it was in there fully and on the bearing, but otherwise it works, it fits. It's a little bit more difficult because the diameter of the wheel is different, but it works. That's the main thing. So now we gotta throw the cover back on and we're good to go. All right, so it's up, that piece is on, let's test it out. So the way this works is you first pull from the bottom like this, and then you drop it. Pull, drop, pull, drop. So now it's down, and then to pull it up, you just gotta grab from the top, pull up. And there it is. It's all done, all finished, good to go.